Hello folks. Everything good? This is Elazon Test, and today I'm going to share an amazing review about a product that's revolutionizing the way we approach programming in MetaTrader 4, the MetaTrader 4 Programming MasterclassDigital membership area. If you're interested in taking your programming skills to the next level, this video is just right for you. Stay tuned. What is the MetaTrader 4 Programming MasterclassDigital membership area? So, guys, this masterclass is a digital membership area focused on teaching programming for MetaTrader 4, a widely used platform for Forex trading. It's like a comprehensive guide for those who want to master the art of programming in this specific environment. Certainly, Forex trading or foreign exchange trading is a fascinating area that presents several positive curiosities. Here are two interesting aspects about Forex trading. Global access and 24/5. Forex is a global market that operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This means that somewhere in the world, there is always an open stock exchange, allowing traders to access the market in different time zones. This constant accessibility provides flexibility for investors, regardless of their location. Abundant liquidity. The Forex market is known for its high liquidity. With a daily trading volume that exceeds trillions of dollars, traders have the ability to buy and sell assets quickly without significant impacts on prices. This liquidity makes the market efficient and offers traders the ability to enter and exit positions with relative ease. Diversity of currency pairs. Unlike some more traditional markets, Forex offers a wide variety of currency pairs to trade. This allows traders to explore different economies and global events, choosing from a diverse range of currency combinations. The diversity of options creates opportunities for more flexible and adaptable trading strategies. Always remember that while Forex offers exciting opportunities, it's crucial to understand the risks involved and seek knowledge before starting to trade. Benefits of the MetaTrader 4 Programming Masterclass. Structured learning. This masterclass offers step-by-step learning from basics to advanced programming techniques, allowing even beginners to excel in developing scripts and indicators. Continuous access. As a digital membership area, you have continuous access to learning materials. This means you can learn at your own pace, revisiting lessons whenever needed. Exclusive community. In addition to the lessons, you become part of an exclusive members community where you can exchange ideas, ask questions, and collaborate with other aspiring programmers. Who it's suitable for and who should avoid it. This masterclass is suitable for anyone interested in programming in MetaTrader 4, from beginners to experienced developers looking to enhance their skills in this specific context. However, if you have no interest in programming or don't plan to trade on MetaTrader 4, it might not be the right product for you. Warning about purchasing on the official website. Here's a crucial warning: purchase the MetaTrader 4 Programming Masterclass only on the official website. This ensures you receive authentic material and continuous support and updates. The link to the official website is in the description below. If you're eager to significantly improve your programming skills and become a master in MetaTrader 4, don't waste any time. Click the link in the description, secure your spot in the MetaTrader 4 Programming Masterclass, give a thumbs up if you're feeling excited, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more reviews and developer tips. Until next time, folks. May your codes be efficient and your trades profitable. Rocket Laptop Computer.